Welcome to your tour of 4611 East Abraham Lane, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This single-story home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a bonus enclosed den. As you enter, just to the left is the living room that has entrance into the backyard. And to the right of that is the dining area. Let's check this kitchen out. Stainless steel appliances and oak cabinets. In this hallway is a pantry. Let's head on down to the hall. Again, just to the right behind the kitchen is the hallway guest bathroom. Let's continue this tour. Check this little laundry area where your washer and dryer hookup is. Here's that bonus enclosed den. Could be used as an office, workout room, game room. Possibilities are endless with these types of rooms. Continuing on the tour is the front bedroom. Check this out, brand new carpet. Here's another view. Just across from this room is another bedroom. Let's check out another angle of this bedroom. All right, let's keep going. Just at the end of this hall is the 2-car garage. Take a look. All right, let's go on to the other side of the house. Now we're going to be approaching the primary bedroom. It has a nice split floor plan, which a lot of people prefer. Also an entrance to the backyard. Here's another view, and we're heading into the bathroom. Here's the linen closet. Next to that, check this shower out. Glass doors, it's all tiled. Here's the dual vanity. Granite countertops all over, which is a nice detail. Toilet area and walk-in closet. All right, let's wrap this tour up with a view of the backyard. If you are interested in learning more details, scheduling a tour, or even applying, visit our website rpmphoenixvalley.com.